Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to write you a code easily. So let's get started. So first, what we want to do is, of course, go here to ChatGPT website, which is chat.openai.com, and it will ask you to sign in using your Google or other methods, but choosing Google is the most preferable way because it is the easiest and the simplest. So once you have logged in, you will be prompted here to chat. And as you can see here, these are my previous chats with ChatGPT. You can see here also. So if you have previous chats you've made with ChatGPT, it will appear here. And these are the examples that ChatGPT can use here. If you want, this is a really simple example, but you can also ask very difficult and technical questions like this one. How do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? You can also ask that one. So basically, you can ask anything in ChatGPT as long as it is not illegal. So now let's start. Let's say we want to ask ChatGPT ideas. We can use it as for ideas in the ChatGPT on what we should code next. And it's where it gives me ideas on what to code next. That was fine. There. And as you can see, ChatGPT easily provides some examples or suggestions that is a fun coding project from 1 to 10, I think. Yes, I'm close to 10. As you can see, this is easily solved by ChatGPT. You can create a game, build a chart mark, develop a website, design a mobile app, build a machine learning project, or create a virtual assistant, design a cryptocurrency, build a music app, develop a game engine, and create a 3D modeling program. And it even adds a note here that you remember the key to having fun with coding project is to choose something that interests you and challenges you. See, ChatGPT does not only provide answer to the question, but it provides more than that to ensure that you fully understand, and it gives you specific notes on what to remember when you receive the answer or do what ChatGPT here says. So let's now type the next one. Let's say, write me a program that says at that time every let's say every hour, and then there ChatGPT will write it in a moment. And as you can see, it is easily built by ChatGPT, and it will add a note at the end here. As you can see, it even instructs us. It does not just give us the code or just this one, but it also gives us some instructions on how we can use it or how we can utilize it. So it's really quick and simple. You just ask what you want here in ChatGPT, and it will basically provide you every answer that you need. And that is how you use ChatGPT to easily write a code.